Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Toyota Supra MK4 out of Lego. First, you'll need to decide if you're using an official set or a custom, my own creation design. Official sets offer clear instructions, while MOCs provide unique challenges and details. Many enthusiasts prefer MOCs for their accuracy to the iconic sports car. We'll explore both options to help you achieve your dream Lego build. This guide will walk you through the essential steps for a successful project. When choosing your model, look for highly rated custom designs from experienced builders. These often come with detailed, step-by-step instructions, sometimes even digital files. Be prepared for a piece count, typically ranging from 1,500 to 2,500 elements, depending on the scale and detail. Some designs might require specific colors like bright red or classic white, so check your inventory or plan to acquire them. Building the Supra MK4 involves several key Lego techniques. Snot, or studs not on top, is crucial for achieving the car's sleek, smooth body lines without visible studs. You'll also want to focus on capturing the distinctive curves of the front bumper and the large, recognizable rear wing. Many builders enjoy detailing the engine bay, often incorporating six-cylinder engine replicas using various small pieces. Precision in these areas makes a significant difference. Once your Lego Supra MK4 is complete, the fun doesn't have to stop. You can customize it further with different wheel designs, a detailed interior, or even a custom engine block. Many builders add a minifigure to the driver's seat to bring their creation to life. Finally, find a prominent spot to display your masterpiece. A clear acrylic case or a custom-built stand can protect it and highlight its impressive details for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.